The second ray, the flame of illumination and wisdom. Message from Master Kuthumi, World Teacher, Second Ray Master. Blessings, children of my heart. The beautiful wisdom of creation designed certain focuses to accomplish specific outcomes. For instance, nature creates beauty to inspire mankind to return to the greatness of their own divinity. Your body has eyes to see, ears to hear, and feet to walk. Thus, the various bodies of mankind were created, each one for a specific purpose. The mental body is designed to create the mold of perfection. The emotional body is meant to fill your form with life. Your physical body, with all its faculties, is meant to externalize the perfection of consciousness in the world of form. One of the most powerful avenues by which thoughts and feelings become manifestations is through the right use of the throat chakra, the power center for the spoken word. The spoken or mentally formed word becomes the final step-down transformer by which the desired manifestation is lowered into the world of form. This is done through the right use of affirmations, fiats, decrees, and various forms of prayer offered to your mighty I Am presence directly from your heart in connection with your throat center. Humanity has been very proficient in creating discord, pain, and challenge for themselves by the wrong use of the throat center. I admonish you to begin noticing how you create misery for yourself by the wrong use of your power center and by the way you speak to yourself and others. Resolve today to speak only words of love and harmony. When you learn to speak like a master, you will be amazed how quickly the world around you transforms itself to bring you the love, peace, harmony, and abundance you so long for. What you create through your throat center always comes back to you multiplied many times over, whether it is created in love or in discord. Each time you express yourself through the spoken or written word, do it always with love, compassion, and wisdom. It is important to always express your truth, and it is just as important to pause, to choose the right words for your communication. You can always convey to anyone what is right for you and what is not, and how you feel about situations. It is not your words or expressions through writing that create problems of discord and karma for yourself. It is always the way you say or write it. When you are not sure how to express yourself without offending the person you want to communicate with, go into your heart, take a deep breath, and say, I now choose to communicate from the love of my heart. I invoke the rays of illumination and wisdom to imprint my consciousness with my perfect expression for this situation. You will be surprised to discover how eloquent you may become and how you can transform a difficult situation into a divine solution. This is the law of attraction in this and all universes.
You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God. You are the face of God. I hold you in my heart. You are a part of me. You are the face of God.